Hey, I'm Josh from Roberts Camera. I'm part of the sales staff here, and we've compiled a list of items that'll help you improve your work from home setup. With improvements to these 4 areas, we can make sure that you get crystal clear audio and video without breaking the bank or cluttering up your desk. Most modern cameras have the ability to be used as a webcam, either through software offered from the manufacturer or through HDMI and the use of a capture card. Either way you go, by upgrading your camera, you'll get a lot better video quality. Next, let's talk about audio. They say the secret to a good video is better audio. Upgrading your microphone is one of the best things you can do to improve your work from home setup. Here at Roberts, we have a lot of microphones that'll help you solve your audio issues at any budget, like this MV5C from Shure, which is specifically designed for the home office. Third, we're going to talk about lighting. If you can move your setup near a window, you can eliminate the shadows on your face for a more flattering look. If moving your computer isn't an option, we have LED panels that'll help you get beautiful light in any room in the house. Something like this Nanlite 24B makes a great choice because of its small desktop footprint. So now that you've got your camera, your lighting, and your microphone, the last thing you want is to have a cluttered workspace. This Heckler computer accessory stand will help you keep a clean, organized, and usable workspace. All right, those are our top 4 tips for improving your at-home workspace. I'm Josh Saltzman from Roberts Camera. If you'd like to add any of these items to your at-home workstation, just give us a call or visit our website. We'll see you in the next one.